and welcome! Are you interested in waterproofing against rising damp, for example horizontal barriers? Today I would like to explain the difference between the popular horizontal damp proofing cream and the liquid version and why you need only one product for all degrees of moisture penetration. Horizontal barriers protect masonry and concrete against rising damp. The suction of the pores and capillaries in the building material transports the water from the ground into the wall. There it leads to water stains, ugly efflorescence and crumbling plaster. Basically, there are two different systems: the capillary-blocking waterproofing and the waterproofing that stops the capillary suction. First, I explain the capillary-blocking. Clogging only means to make the pores narrower, not to close them completely like a cork closes a bottle. Tighter pores only mean that it is harder for the water or moisture to get up through the system, and that is the problem. Heavier does not mean impossible. That's why it can't happen that after capillary clogging systems the wall becomes damp again sometime later. All the effort was in vain. Interrupting the capillary suction, here the product actively reacts with the building material and forms an inseparable bond. The capillaries and pores are no longer transporting water. The following products are such capillary-breaking systems. Let's start with Hydroblock SE 709. We have made sure that the product is solvent-free and that you only need one material for all degrees of moisture penetration. This means no matter how wet the wall is, SE 709 is the right material. So you reduce inventory and capital tie-up. We use water as a transport medium to get the active reactive siloxane into the structure. If the wall is not very wet, for example up to water saturation level of 50%, you can use the triple containers for a pressureless injection. This means that we use the suction of the capillaries to inject the active ingredient. From a saturation of more than 50%, we recommend to do injection pressure. SE 709 is a concentrate and you dilute it accordingly with water. Hydroblock Diffusion 705 is the full cream power and ready to use. It comes in a practical bucket for application with a hand pump or in a cartridge for clean and fast working. Why Diffusion 715 is so special is easily explained. It does not contain any blending agents and have no water at all. So you can use also normal steel pumps without it leading to corrosion. If this convinces you, use Hydroblock SE for your waterproofing work in the future. My team and I look forward to meeting up with you. My name is Michaela Müller-Kaya.